I told the lady straight up, I was like, I just want my eyebrows cleaned up, make me look cute. She's like, okay, we'll do, boy. And then after, you know, she's like,
yo, Kaya.
Yes.
Show your face.
No.
Why not?
I look ugly right now.
Come on, Kaya.
No.
Alright, yo, should guys get their eyebrows done?
Yes.
Yes.
What's wrong with them getting their eyebrows done?
I don't know, some dudes are scared and like, I'm trying to teach them.
Well, then they're pussy.
Yeah, alright.
Are you recording me? Yes.
Nah.
Yes, you are.
yo, Alexa, do you think guys should get their eyebrows done?
Yeah.
Does it make them more attractive?
Yeah, if they do them well, because then there's like the guys who have like skinny eyebrows, and then there's the guys with bushy eyebrows.
So yes.
Like you have nice eyebrows.
Me, I got nice eyebrows? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Alexa.
Yo, Jamie,
What's poppin'?
where's your face, dog?
Dude, I literally just got out the shower. Give me 1 second.
What? You're naked.
I'm in a towel, stupid.
Ooh. Yo, Jamie. Okay, I have a question for you real quick. Should guys get their eyebrows done?
Yes, they should get their eyebrows done.
Like, does it make them more attractive?
Yeah.
But what if a guy doesn't have his eyebrows done? Like, is that like...
Then have his eyebrows done. I mean, like, as long as they're not like really bad, like when you're talking to them, it's like, you need to get your eyebrows done.
Bro, I swear she better answer. Hunter.
Hi.
Alright, should guys get their eyebrows done?
Like, threaded?
Or, yeah, threaded or waxed. I
Or
don't know.
like paint, like paint your eyebrows?
Fuck no, bro. Like threaded, like you get your eyebrows nice and clean.
I guess if you're looking for a yes or no, then like, yeah.
Is it attractive for guys to have nice eyebrows? That's what I'm trying to get to.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's more attractive than having like. See, the thing is I remember somebody saying that like, if you don't keep up with your brows, what else are you not keeping up with? Because your brows are overgrown and like, obviously guys are gonna have like thicker, hairier brows, which is like a moment, but yeah.
Damn. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yo, so it's the next day. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. My friend's on the way. Here's like a before of what my eyebrows be looking like. I'm supposed to be getting them done like every 3 weeks. And I don't know how long it's been since I got my last one. I've been on vacation, traveling and all of that. It's kind of hard to keep up with your eyebrows. But y'all saw what the girl said. Girls like when eyebrows are done. So it's gonna be like a little vlog style video, just real quick, show you how I do it, what I do. Personally, I get mine threaded. Y'all just gonna watch me get my eyebrows done, all right? And I know y'all are gonna ask questions, how much is it? Personally, I pay like 12, 10 bucks. And then I throw like a $2 tip on it, guys. Oh shoot, it's wrong my, like a $2 tip. So it's like less than 15 bucks every 3 weeks, guys. If you don't have money, save up some. Maybe I could do some money videos. I don't know, man. I'm trying to pump out as much content as I can for y'all. But earring piercing video should be soon. Eyebrows, important. Girls like clean eyebrows, you know what I mean? Like, don't do no weird stuff like super like, feminine. But I'm just saying, like, get your eyebrows cleaned up. Also too, I've heard people go to a barber and I think they do them like with razors or something. I'm not sure. I've never done it, so I have no information on that, all right? Only about getting them threaded by nice Asian ladies, all right? I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever I'm at the mall, at the salon, all right? All right, yo, just got to the mall. Shout out to Diego. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Or shout out to him for taking me all the way to the mall to get my eyebrows done.
So you never record with Nancy?
No, she does. Yeah, I have, but
Can I record or you want me to record?
all right, yo, guys, I'm about to get my eyebrows studded. This is how they look before. I'm gonna be doing a little voiceover because they're playing copyrighted music, and I'm just gonna explain what's happening because I wasn't talking. I never got my eyebrows done by this girl, so I wasn't sure if she wanted to be on camera or not. Anyways, right here, she's like wiping my eyebrows down with alcohol, and usually like the other girl never does it, so I was like, yo, this girl might be good. She knows what she's doing. She cleaning up my eyebrows, keeping them right. But before this, you need to be up front. If hopefully you get somebody that speaks English or they know English. They gotta know English, but you gotta be straight up. You gotta be like, yo, my hair is getting too long. It's getting in front of my eyes. But you gotta be straight up. I just want to get my eyebrows cleaned up. Don't make me look feminine. Literally the first time I went to the mall and I was like, yo, where's the salon that does eyebrows? They told me, boom, go over there. I was
like, all right. I told the lady straight up, I was like, I just want my eyebrows cleaned up, make me look cute. She's like, okay, we'll do, boy. And then after, you know, she's like, cute boy. And I was like, thank you. So right here, once they clean the top, they're gonna go under, and then that's whenever you're gonna have to pull the top of your eye and then the bottom so like they can get under. And keep in mind, it is gonna hurt your first time, you're not used to it, like, and what they're doing, as you can see in the video, they're like pulling I don't know, they're using the string to pull off your hairs. It's that simple, man. And also too, you can get them waxed. I've never done that. I'm pretty sure it's easier. I don't know, I just haven't done it. Maybe I should try it, I don't know. But threading, I just feel like it's like boom, nice, quick, easy, looks good too. I feel like with threading you can be more precise, and waxing, like it just, I don't know how it works, to be honest. All right, so right here you're gonna see a lot of acne. You know, I stress, you know, all that acne is from stress. I swear to Bob, I work a lot. Well, not work, but you know, I do a lot of stuff. I stress a lot. But also too, I think it's for my hair touching my head all the time, like the oils or something. But you know, that's just something you gotta deal with. You gotta deal with it. But yeah, one day I'm gonna find like acne treatment or something. Like, it's not that big of a deal to me. It's whatever. My hair covers it. It's whatever. But yeah, y'all see the acne, and she's going. This time you have to see it like in depth and like her actually. Another thing is like you can see on my eyebrow, it's really like red. My skin is super sensitive. I get irritated really fast. Like sometimes I break out. Ugh. Right? If you're like that, then it's gonna be super red, super irritated. But it should go away like in 30 minutes after they're done. I'm pretty sure I put in a clip where like after it was super red and then it goes away. But yeah, real quick, keep in mind your first time it's gonna be a little painful. You just gotta get through it, toughen up, buttercup. Be good, man. I don't know, personally I get mine done every 3 weeks. It's just what I do. I want to let y'all know. Y'all ask me, what do you do this. I'm telling y'all what I do. All right, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. If you think it's only for girls, then that's all you, man. You do whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you what I do. All right, I'm documenting my life.
Okay, yeah, here's the after product. Yo, zoomed in. I never got them done by that girl before, so I was kind of scared. Like, either way, if they look bad, I was gonna have content either way, so it didn't really matter. But boom, I think they look good. I'm gonna talk to y'all more whenever I get home. But yeah, keep in mind a few things. Getting your eyebrows done, it kind of does hurt a little bit. I never got them waxed. I'll talk to y'all whenever I get home. All right, so when you first get your eyebrows done, they're gonna be a little red. Mine have calmed down already. They're not as red. But yo, here's like a few hours. Super important. I know there's a bunch of guy viewers on my channel. Super important you get your eyebrows cleaned up. Like, it's not no weird stuff, but I'm telling you, like, you just look that much more better. And a lot of y'all ask me like, yo, with my hair I got more girls. I'm telling you, bro, if you get them cleaned up, you'll get more girls. All right. But if I helped you in any way, make sure you like, subscribe, go watch some of my other videos. Never skip an ad, that's bad. Turn on the notification bell. Let me know what other videos y'all want me to make. But yo, hopefully I helped you, man. If you are looking on where to get your eyebrows done, literally go watch my video on how much a perm costs. You can literally do that, or just ask around, guys. I don't live in your city, so I'm not gonna be able to find someone to help you. You gotta go do it. And if they mess up your eyebrow, yo, I need to put a disclaimer too. If they mess up your eyebrows, it is not my fault, all right? I didn't know how this lady was gonna do my eyebrows. This is my first time ever getting my eyebrows done by her. So, and I was nervous. Like, if she messed up my eyebrows, well then that's the video, like the clickbait. If she did good, well, that's the point of the video. But I don't know. I'm just telling y'all what I do personally, all right? I'm not professional. I'm not here to give you any, you know, tell you what to do with your life. But I'm just saying. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out.